The team's objective is to enhance the safety of fertilizers produced from wastewater sludge. In today's video, we will be discussing the efforts of researchers to enhance the safety of fertilizers derived from wastewater sludge. Their objective is to identify chemical contaminants that are commonly found in these fertilizers and may necessitate government regulations. Through their investigation, they discovered the presence of pharmaceuticals, industrial chemicals, and fragrances in biosolid samples obtained from various facilities. By comparing these compounds with a comprehensive database, they were able to pinpoint 92 chemicals that could potentially pose problems. Although biosolids offer advantages for plant growth, additional research is required to ensure that they do not pose any risks to human health or the environment. Without further delay, let us begin our discussion. In a groundbreaking study released in the latest issue of Environmental Science and Technology Journal, researchers have conducted an extensive analysis of the chemical makeup of biosolids nationwide. This crucial research marks the initial phase in identifying prevalent chemical contaminants that may require governmental oversight. By prioritizing the investigation of specific organic compounds, these findings have the potential to guide the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency in their regulatory efforts. Carsten Prasse, an assistant professor specializing in environmental contaminants at the Department of Environmental Health and Engineering, emphasizes the importance of shedding light on potential organic risks associated with biosolids. The aim is to uncover any undiscovered evidence that could prove detrimental. It is crucial for regulators to gain a comprehensive understanding of the composition of these fertilizers in order to establish guidelines for their responsible application. Prasse and his research team employed advanced analytical chemistry methods to examine 16 biosolid samples obtained from wastewater treatment plants located in 9 cities in the United States and 3 cities in Canada. These samples were found to contain a diverse range of chemicals, including pharmaceuticals, industrial compounds, and various fragrances. Notable substances identified included bisphenol A, BPA, a commonly encountered component in plastics, as well as carbamazepine, a medication prescribed for the management of epilepsy and bipolar disorder. Prasse posed the question of how to prioritize among the multitude of compounds found in biosolids. The objective was to identify chemicals that are prevalent and potentially problematic, requiring investigation by the EPA and other scientists prior to proposing regulations. Afterwards, the scientists compiled inventories of the substances detected in each specimen and contrasted them with compounds that were detected in numerous locations throughout the nation. They pinpointed a total of 92 compounds that were present in 80% or more of the specimens. Afterwards, the team of researchers compared those 92 compounds with the extensive CompTox chemical dashboard provided by the EPA, which contains comprehensive information on the characteristics, dangers, and potential hazards associated with numerous chemicals. This invaluable resource enabled the researchers to pinpoint the specific chemicals that presented the highest likelihood of endangering human health or the environment. According to Matthew Neumeyer, a research associate at the Bloomberg School of Public Health and the primary author of the paper, it is important to note that a formal risk assessment has not been conducted on these compounds. However, he emphasizes that there is a possibility for these substances to present issues, and further data is required to ensure the safety of these biosolids. The researchers have stated that the utilization of biosolids can yield advantages. These organic materials are abundant in essential nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, which promote plant growth. Moreover, the production of biosolids requires less energy compared to synthetic alternatives. Additionally, wastewater facilities have the opportunity to generate revenue by selling biosolids, thereby offsetting treatment expenses and minimizing waste sent to landfills or incinerators. According to the EPA, over 50% of the 3.76 million tons of biosolids generated in the United States in 2022 were utilized as fertilizer for agricultural lands, golf courses, and other landscaped areas. Although direct interaction with biosolids is primarily confined to occupational settings, The general public may potentially encounter contaminants that have been absorbed by crops grown with these fertilizers, as noted by the researchers. To assess the potential concern, the team intends to analyze the concentration levels of the identified compounds in both the biosolids and the vegetables cultivated in soil amended with biosolids. Additionally, the researchers are examining the potential risks that farmers, landscapers, and composters may face when handling biosolids. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.